Let's find out what firmware your Spectrum modem is running. Firmware is the embedded software that controls your modem's hardware, kind of like its operating system. Keeping it up to date is crucial for performance, security, and compatibility. First, you'll need to access your modem's web interface. Open a web browser and type either 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.100.1 into the address bar and hit enter. You may be prompted for a username and password. The default is often admin for both, but check the sticker on your modem for the correct credentials. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Firmware, Status, or Advanced. Here, you should see your current firmware version number. Write this down. Now, head to the Spectrum Support website and search for your modem model to find the latest available firmware version. Compare the version you found on your modem to the version listed on Spectrum's site. If your modem is running an older version, it's time to update. So, your firmware is outdated? No problem. Here are your upgrade options. Option 1, Automatic Updates. This is usually enabled by default. Your modem checks for updates nightly and installs them during low usage hours. You can typically toggle this feature on or off in the modem's admin panel, which we accessed in the previous section. Option 2, Manual Updates. Spectrum provides firmware files on their support page, but performing manual updates is risky and can brick the device if not done correctly, so this is not advised. Option 3, Support Assisted Updates. The easiest way to ensure your modem is up to date is to contact Spectrum Support at 1-800-892-4357. A technician can remotely update your modem or even ship you a pre-flashed modem. Finally, Option 4, App-Based Updates. The My Spectrum app, available on iOS and Android, allows you to check your firmware version and initiate updates wirelessly. Regardless of the method you choose, updating your firmware will help ensure the security and efficiency of your modem.